Good afternoon, everybody. Coming to you today. Old Black Betty and I went for a field trip again. Old Mr. Link thought he'd come down and say hi also. You got something to say, Link? Yeah, that's a good boy. Went on down and I found this little beauty. This is a 01 GMC 2500 HD 4-wheel drive. Got the 6.0 in it. And she is a beauty. She comes with some pretty rare stock options for Michigan. And you're probably going, what do you mean stock options? Well, I've got to show you. Look at that. The rockers are all still there. I can't believe this. Up here in Michigan and a lot of the other states, them boogers are gone. They've been repaired or the frame's gone. She is gorgeous. Listen to them doors. Yeah. Look at the brake lines. Brake lines are just as clean can be. No rust. It's just a nice little truck. Can't believe the bumpers. Usually the bumpers got big hole right here. Sight glasses. Yeah. She's just a clean little pickup truck. This side's the same way. And them rockers. That's crazy. Listen to them doors. It's all gone. Yep. She's all there. Paint's good on her. Clear coat's still all there. She's just a little sweetheart truck. Yep. She'll put a smile on somebody's face. That she will do. Y'all have a great day. Be safe out there. We'll see y'all around. Thank you very much. Bye.